Welcome to the assembly manual for the Pilar sideboard. In step 1, position pieces 4 and fit the accessories G. Next, attach the E accessories to the pieces 2. Position parallel to parts 4 and secure with accessories F. In step 2, attach accessory E. In piece 3, fit the G accessories and position them next to piece 1. Fix the accessories F in the indicated locations. In step 3, position the already assembled pieces 2 and 4 onto pieces 1 and 3. In step 4, attach accessories C and D in the indicated locations. Fix the accessories B and D in the indicated locations. In step 5, position the feet in the indicated locations and secure them with accessory I. Fix the accessories A in the indicated locations. In step 6, glue the H accessories in the indicated locations. And finally, in step 7, fit accessory J into the indicated location.